This is gonna be a funnel today. Looks the weather looks stormy over there. Help me, guys. This there's the darkest cloud ever, and then another torrential thunderstorm has been detected in Saskatoon. But there's no weather alerts. I think there's a weather alert here, but they said no alerts affected. But I think there's this alert said like severe thunderstorm watch. This funnel cloud, so creepy. And we know the that storm. Yeah, that's a cloud with heavy rain come to cover soon. Okay, the storm cloud is kinda crazy, guys. There's a tornado, and this funnel cloud generated by landspout. It's called landspout tornado. Let's gonna wait it soon, and if it rains. I'm sorry, guys. There's no lightning. I think there is lightning detected soon as possible. Cause look at these clouds are creepy. There is a like this storm. We're gonna turn the sun will cover like this. Okay, there's no lightning detected. Thank you for watching, guys. So don't forget to subscribe channel for more thunderstorms, and